Welcome to this chapter on navigating organizational landscapes. In this lesson, we explore how PMOs operate within different organizational environments and how those environments influence their success, evolution, and impact. Understanding the organizational landscape is essential because PMOs do not operate in isolation. They interact constantly with culture, leadership, maturity levels, and shifting business priorities. By recognizing these dynamics, PMO professionals can design strategies that are more aligned with their organization's needs and more likely to deliver sustained value. This chapter gives you a clear framework for understanding the environment your PMO operates within and equips you with knowledge to adapt effectively. Whether you are establishing a new PMO or strengthening an existing one, this understanding forms the foundation for informed, strategic decision-making. This section matters because it highlights the importance of understanding organizational context before building or refining a PMO. Every PMO operates within a specific environment shaped by culture, behavior, stakeholder expectations, and maturity levels. When PMO leaders understand this context, they can design strategies that match real organizational needs instead of relying on generic best practices. This section also explains how context awareness improves the PMO's ability to deliver relevant, high-value solutions. It introduces frameworks that help PMO professionals analyze their environment, especially in lower maturity settings where structure and processes may be lacking. You'll gain tools for launching or revitalizing a PMO, preventing decline, and supporting long-term success. By the end of this chapter, you will appreciate why context is one of the most important determinants of PMO effectiveness and sustainability. Navigating organizational landscapes requires PMO professionals to understand how internal dynamics shape how projects and programs are delivered. This includes leadership expectations, customer needs, industry conditions, and the organization's overall change appetite. PMOs must interpret these factors and respond with strategies that make sense for their specific environment. A PMO that thrives in one organization might struggle in another with a different culture or maturity level. This chapter helps you explore these differences and prepare to adapt effectively. You will gain insight into how PMOs evolve over time, how they respond to challenges, and how they can remain relevant despite shifting conditions. This foundational perspective ensures you are equipped to operate with clarity, confidence, and strategic intention across any organizational landscape. Understanding context is essential for PMO success because it allows you to align your approach with your organization's culture, priorities, and readiness for project discipline. When PMOs understand their environment, they can design services that meet the organization where it is, rather than where they wish it were. This section highlights the core benefits of context awareness, tailoring PMO strategies, building relevant solutions, and increasing the PMO's ability to deliver meaningful impact. It also introduces the tools you will learn throughout this chapter: frameworks for assessing organizational scenarios, strategies for working in low-maturity environments, and practical guidance for launching, reviving, or sustaining a PMO. By mastering these insights, PMO professionals can better anticipate challenges, position themselves strategically, and build a roadmap that leads to long-term stability and value. The frameworks and models in this chapter stem from the collective knowledge of PMO leaders with extensive hands-on experience across industries. These professionals have worked in diverse delivery environments, from startups to global enterprises, and bring a wealth of practical insight. Their expertise ensures the concepts you learn here are grounded not just in theory, but in real-world application. By leveraging lessons from seasoned PMO practitioners, this chapter provides you with tested approaches for assessing organizational readiness, designing PMO strategies, and adapting to evolving conditions. The credibility behind these frameworks gives you confidence that you are learning methods capable of supporting your growth into an effective PMO leader, someone capable of diagnosing organizational challenges and delivering tailored, high-value solutions. PMOs evolve constantly, and the organizational context they operate in evolves as well. This section introduces the dynamics of contextual scenarios. patterns that describe how PMOs experience growth, challenges, crises, and renewal throughout their life cycle. These scenarios help PMO leaders identify key changes and opportunities for strategic intervention. They provide a holistic view by considering stakeholder interactions, cultural factors, maturity levels, and external influences. Importantly, this model encourages PMO professionals to adopt systems thinking, understanding that PMOs are interconnected with the organization, not standalone units. By recognizing these dynamics early, PMOs can adjust course, strengthen relationships, and stay aligned with organizational needs. This awareness helps PMO leaders maintain relevance and navigate uncertainty with agility and confidence. The contextual scenarios framework provides several key insights that help PMO professionals understand their environment more effectively. First, it emphasizes organizational behavior, highlighting how culture, leadership, and maturity levels influence PMO performance. Second, it acknowledges the complete life cycle of a PMO, including both growth phases and periods of decline or resurgence. This perspective reinforces the importance of continuously demonstrating value. Third, it encourages adaptive strategies that respond to evolving needs rather than rigid one-size-fits-all solutions. And finally, it offers practical tools for PMO development, renewal, and long-term sustainability. These insights guide PMO leaders in diagnosing challenges, prioritizing improvements, and planning strategic responses that help the PMO remain effective across changing conditions. This chapter introduces 8 distinct organizational scenarios that PMOs may experience. Each scenario comes with its own challenges, opportunities, and strategic implications. Importantly, these scenarios are not linear. PMOs can move forward, regress, skip stages, or experience multiple scenarios simultaneously depending on the organization's dynamics. Understanding your current scenario is essential because it shapes the decisions you make and the strategies you apply. This section sets the stage for the detailed exploration to follow, including early-stage scenarios like potential and kickoff, growth stages like growing and thriving, and downturn scenarios such as crisis, decline, and collapse. Finally, it includes the resurgence scenario, which represents recovery and renewal. Together, these scenarios offer a comprehensive map for navigating PMO evolution. The potential scenario represents the earliest stage in the PMO journey. At this point, the organization recognizes that project management could add value, but it is not yet ready to formally implement a PMO. There are no established project management structures, and conversations about PMO benefits are usually informal or exploratory. The culture is often immature in terms of project discipline, and stakeholders may not fully understand what a PMO does. In this environment, the PMO leader's focus should be on cultural preparation, education, and advocacy. This includes raising awareness about the benefits of structured project management, introducing basic concepts, and beginning to define simple processes. Even small steps, like offering training sessions or sharing success stories, can build the foundation for future PMO implementation. The kickoff scenario begins when the organization becomes culturally ready for a PMO and leadership provides early support. This is where initial project management frameworks are introduced, pilot projects are launched, and early processes begin to take shape. The PMO may still be small, but foundational structures are coming together. This stage typically includes the formation of initial teams, the definition of basic roles, and early experimentation with tools or templates. The main objective at this stage is to reinforce cultural support and demonstrate early value. PMO leaders should focus on stakeholder engagement, refining processes based on feedback, and building internal capability. Success here depends on communication, collaboration, and the ability to align early efforts with leadership expectations. The growing scenario reflects the PMO's expansion and increasing maturity. At this point, the organization begins to see tangible value from the PMO, and demand for PMO services increases. The project portfolio expands, processes become more refined, and the PMO team grows in size and capability. Stakeholder support also strengthens as the PMO demonstrates measurable improvements in project success, reporting quality, and delivery consistency. During this phase, the PMO must maintain momentum by focusing on performance measurement, building capacity, and ensuring clear communication. It is critical to show how the PMO is contributing to efficiency, cost savings, or improved outcomes. The growing stage is an exciting period, but it requires disciplined leadership to prevent overwhelm and maintain focus. The thriving scenario represents the peak performance stage of a PMO. At this point, the PMO is recognized across the organization for delivering strong value, maintaining mature governance, and enabling consistent, successful project outcomes. Stakeholders trust the PMO, performance expectations are high, and the PMO has established itself as a critical enabler of business success. While this stage is rewarding, it also requires strategic vigilance. The focus must shift to sustaining excellence by innovating with new tools and methods, recognizing team achievements, and continually strengthening stakeholder relationships. Thriving PMOs must also anticipate future challenges and avoid complacency. The goal is to maintain relevance and ensure the PMO continues contributing meaningfully to strategy execution and organizational performance. The crisis scenario occurs when significant challenges begin to undermine the PMO's relevance and credibility. Stakeholders may complain about PMO performance, systems may go unused, and the PMO may struggle to maintain autonomy. At this point, the PMO is often perceived as bureaucratic or slow, and its influence begins to weaken. This scenario requires immediate action. PMO leaders must conduct a thorough diagnostic assessment to identify root causes, re-engage stakeholders, and reshape processes to deliver more value. Communication becomes critical, as does realignment with organizational priorities. Quick, meaningful improvements are essential to rebuild trust. While a crisis can feel overwhelming, it can also represent an important turning point, one that determines whether the PMO recovers or continues toward decline. The decline scenario occurs when a PMO fails to address a crisis effectively. Support from executives diminishes, customer engagement drops, and leadership instability becomes common. High team turnover may signal deeper problems within the PMO's culture or capability. The organization may begin viewing the PMO as a cost center rather than a value generator, prompting cost-cutting measures. In this environment, the PMO risks losing its identity, influence, and purpose. Recovery requires comprehensive intervention, rebuilding governance structures, addressing skill gaps, reallocating resources, and restoring trust with leadership and stakeholders. A clear roadmap, combined with strong and decisive leadership, is essential for reversing the decline and repositioning the PMO for renewed relevance. Collapse occurs when the PMO becomes largely ineffective or obsolete. At this stage, processes break down, governance structures disappear, and stakeholder confidence is severely damaged. The organization may strongly consider shutting down the PMO entirely. Project failure risks increase significantly due to lack of oversight, coordination, and standards. Although this scenario represents a low point, it can still be managed strategically. PMO leaders must focus on capturing lessons learned, supporting staff transitions, and communicating transparently with stakeholders. In some cases, organizations may explore decentralized PMO functions or outsourcing models. In others, collapse becomes the precursor to a future resurgence, where a new PMO can arise with renewed purpose and better alignment. Collapse is a moment for reflection, reevaluation, and potential reinvention. The resurgence scenario is a powerful moment of renewal. After a period of crisis, decline, or collapse, the organization commits to rebuilding its PMO with clearer direction and stronger foundations. This stage is characterized by restored governance, refreshed strategies, and renewed stakeholder engagement. Early signs of recovery begin to appear as processes stabilize and trust is slowly regained. Successful resurgence requires strong leadership, a compelling vision, transparent communication, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Lessons learned from past setbacks must shape new structures, avoiding old pitfalls and focusing on value-driven practices. When done well, resurgence can lead to a stronger PMO than ever before, one that is more aligned, resilient, and impactful. PMOs rarely stay in one scenario permanently. They transition between them over time. This slide highlights key indicators that help PMO professionals identify these transitions early. Changes in stakeholder perception, such as growing support or increasing skepticism, are often the first signs. Executive support also plays a major role. Increased engagement and resources suggest improvement, while reduced involvement signals trouble. Performance metrics such as project success rates, budget accuracy, and satisfaction scores help show whether the PMO is thriving or struggling. Adaptability and innovation indicate organizational health, while rigidity hints at deeper issues. Finally, alignment with strategic goals determines whether a PMO is moving in the right direction. Recognizing these signals early allows PMO leaders to take proactive action before conditions deteriorate. Beyond the major indicators, several additional signs reveal how a PMO is evolving. Changes in the quality and quantity of PMO outputs can show improvement or decline. Team morale and turnover are strong signals of internal health. High morale reflects stability, while frequent turnover suggests deeper organizational or cultural issues. The PMO's influence on organizational culture is another reliable indicator. PMOs that impact behavior and mindset are typically in a strong position. The degree to which the PMO contributes to decision-making also reflects its standing. Finally, shifts in organizational structure or leadership often trigger changes in PMO scenarios. Effective PMO leaders assess these indicators collectively, using them to guide strategy and ensure the PMO remains valuable and relevant. Every PMO scenario presents unique challenges and opportunities, which requires tailored strategies rather than one uniform approach. Positive scenarios call for growth, innovation, and refinement, while negative scenarios require diagnosis, stabilization, and recovery. Adaptability is a critical competency. PMO professionals must adjust their actions based on the specific characteristics of each scenario. Having a toolkit of scenario-specific strategies helps PMO leaders respond proactively to risks, organizational changes, and opportunity areas. This framework also provides a shared language for discussing PMO state and direction with stakeholders, improving communication and decision-making. While scenarios simplify complex realities, PMOs rarely fit neatly into one category. Effective leaders interpret the mix of characteristics and use this framework as a guide, not a rigid classification, to shape the PMO's strategic path. The strategy matrix brings all scenarios together by outlining the specific actions PMO leaders can take in each stage. For early stages like potential and kickoff, strategies focus on assessing readiness, building support, defining governance, and preparing teams. Growing and thriving scenarios emphasize customer engagement, capability building, performance measurement, innovation, and alignment with strategy. In challenging scenarios such as crisis, decline, and collapse, strategies shift toward diagnostics, structural redesign, stakeholder re-engagement, and in extreme cases, orderly disbandment. The resurgence scenario focuses on reinvention, rebuilding trust, securing sponsorship, establishing new value propositions, and embedding continuous improvement. This matrix equips PMO leaders with a structured yet adaptable toolkit for navigating organizational complexity and ensuring long-term PMO success.